Unlocking the value of your investment property, a beginner's guide. Embarking on your real estate investment journey begins with a fundamental step: determining the value of your prospective property. This not only sets the groundwork for your investment decisions, but also ensures you're aligning with the market's pulse. Conducting a comparative market analysis. A comparative market analysis, CMA, is your compass in the vast real estate sea. It involves studying similar properties recently sold in the same area, giving you a realistic snapshot of what investors are willing to pay. Alternative valuation methods. Beyond CMA, other navigational tools like the income approach, which considers potential earnings from rent, and the cost approach, which sums up land and construction minus depreciation, provide a broader valuation perspective. Crucial value influencing factors. Location, property condition, market trends, and economic indicators are the stars guiding your valuation journey. Each plays a crucial role in property appreciation or depreciation. Valuation checklist. Conclude with a valuation checklist encapsulating all the essentials from market analysis to physical inspection to carry with you as you venture into your real estate endeavors. This is where RETEC comes in. As a digital property marketing firm, we help you buy and sell properties which meet all standards with satisfaction in mind. Get in touch with a trusted firm as RETEC